Now let's move to future continuous tense. So you know that in future we are discussing what the actions that are going to happen, right? So here in this future continuous tense, what we are discussing, see, in future continuous tense, we are using this tense to express something that will occur in the future and continue for an expected length of time. Means what? See, we are used this tense to express some actions, something that will happen in the future, and that action will continue for a period of time in the future. Okay, those actions we can express in future continuous tense. Clear? See, to express something that will happen in the future and that action, that event will continue for a length of time, for a period of time. Those actions, those events we can express in word future continuous tense. Okay, clear? So, how we can construct a sentence in future continuous tense? See here, you can see subject plus helping verbs like will or shall plus be plus ing form of the verb we can use to construct a sentence in what future continuous tense. Okay, subject plus will or shall plus be plus ing form of the verb. So here we had discussed about the rule what related to the usage of helping verbs like will or shall. Do you remember? Like with the subjects I and we should use what? Helping verb shall, and with subjects like you, he, she and they, we should use the helping verb will. Okay, so don't forget that means that rule we should have to follow here in this all divisions of future tense. Okay, so here also we should have to remember that rule where we can use shall and where we can use will. Okay, now let's move to the examples. What? Okay, shall I shall be working. I shall be working at 4 o'clock. I shall be working at 4 o'clock this evening. Okay, see this example with subject I used the helping verb shall plus be plus ing form of the verb work plus ing working. Okay, I shall be working at 4 o'clock this evening. Okay, so this action will work happen at 4 o'clock. This action is not happening now. It will happen at 4 o'clock and that action will continue for a period of time. Okay, I shall be working. What I shall be doing at 4 o'clock? I shall be working. Okay, at 4 o'clock this evening. Today evening I shall be working at 4 o'clock. That action will start at 4 o'clock and that will happen for a short period of time. Okay, so I used to express that event in future continuous tense. Clear? Now let's move to another example. We shall be going to the tour what tomorrow at this time. Okay, so next example, what is that? We shall be going to the tour tomorrow at this time. What will happen tomorrow at this time? We shall be going for a tour. Okay, so that action also will continue for a period of time. So I used to express that action also in what? Future continuous tense. Okay, let's move to one more example. Our students will be will be writing their examination. Will be writing their examination this day next week. This day next week. See, somewhat long example. Okay, listen. See, our students will be writing their exam. Okay, with our students. What is this? With our students, I used the helping verb will. Okay, our students will be and writing verbs ing form. Their examination this day next week. See, the action will happen only in the next week. Okay, in the next week, what will happen? Our students will be writing their exam this day. Okay, next week, this day, what will be happening? Our students will be writing their examination. Means examination, they will start to write their examination, and it will what? Continue for a length of time, right? So those action also we can express in word future continuous tense. Okay, clear? So here in future continuous tense, we use this tense to explain something that will occur in the future and continue for an expected length of time. Okay, clear? And to construct a sentence in future continuous tense, we should use this format: subject plus will or shall plus be plus ing form of the verb. Right? Now, examples: I shall be working at 4 o'clock this evening. Okay, we shall be going to the tour tomorrow at this time. Our students will be writing their examination this day next week. Okay, clear? And if you have any doubt, you please contact me. Okay.